how Mark was able to get his credit score over 800 and he still wasn't satisfied using our simple system. What up, you got Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, and in this video, I want to talk to you about Mark. Mark was able to get his score over 800 and he still wasn't satisfied because our simple system made it so easy. You ever accomplish a goal and it doesn't quite feel like what you thought it was, but just because it was so easy? You ever accomplish a goal and you're like, man, that was so easy, it didn't feel like a challenge? Well, that's what happened, and that's not a bad thing as it relates to credit. That just means that our system works. And he was proven correct that the system works, and he's like, now he knows that he can do more. So basically he said, I said I was shooting for 800 plus, but for some reason I'm still not satisfied. But what I am 100% thrilled about is the results from the income shifting and the smart credit or the smart money kit has provided. I love this program, 825. I'm coming for you. Now, the system is called the My Credit System now, and you can get access to that same system by clicking the link below. Takes about 3 minutes. But what I love is that he said, 825, I'm coming for you, because now he has the confidence to know that the system works. He was able to get to the 800 so quick. He was like, hold on, I'm not even satisfied. Now I'm ready to go to the 825 because the system works. I'm thrilled by the success that I've been able to accomplish using this system. Now I'm confident to know that I can take it to 825. So if you want access to the same system that Mark used to get these results, then click the link below. It takes about 3 minutes to get started. Depending on when you're watching this video, it's only $39 a month to get access to this system. Yes, you will get access to a platform that shows you exactly how to better your own credit. Yes, you'll get access to a system that shows you all of the letters that you need, all of the tools. Matter of fact, let me go ahead and give you an example or a quick tour of how the system looks on the inside so that you can get access to it. Hopefully I don't have to put in my email because I want you to get a quick glimpse of how it works. So let's see. Hang with me. If not, go ahead and grab the system for yourself if you haven't already, because it could cost $1,000, but it doesn't. And if it did, I promise you it'll be well worth it. However, it does not. So if you see it at $39, take advantage. But if you see that the price has increased to $100 or $200, still grab it because it is very well worth it. But do not let $39 keep you from getting access to this system. So the My Credit System looks like this, and you'll get access to the same site once you actually grab your membership. So basically it'll take you here, get started now, and once you get started, you'll see all of the modules step by step walking you through how to better your credit. And a lot of people want to get things removed from their credit, so hey, this is how we get it done. Now, I highly recommend once you get access that you go through it step by step. Don't jump around. But everything you need is here. Videos, real clean, downloadables, more videos, more downloads, more letters for you to dispute, telling you exactly how to do it, why you should do it that way, and giving you the exact guidance you need, along with you getting access to us in our private group to better your credit. And now you have guidance, support, as well as a system that is the #1 do-it-yourself credit restoration system in the nation. We have tons of results. People are eliminating hundreds of thousands, millions of dollars in collections as a whole. So we definitely get results. And all you got to do is click that link, get access to it. We'll get a notification. We'll text you directly and welcome you and give you your next steps on how you can go about going through the credit process, how to maximize this opportunity, as well as get a return on your investment. Because for us, it's way bigger than you just get started. It's way bigger than us just hearing that you got started and we get a congratulations message that you got enrolled. We want you to get a return on your investment. $39, yes, is not much, but we want that $39 to feel like you invested $300 or $1,000, because that's the type of rate of return you get when you start bettering your finances and understanding how our income shifting strategy works. So grab it. I look forward to welcoming you on the inside. I get a notification that says that you're in, and once you're in, you got the next steps. You're going to be in for a treat. That's all I got for this brief video. Mr. Smith, 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith, signing out.